Meaning of educationalist.
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 Educationalist. An educationalist is a person who is an expert in the field of education. They are knowledgeable about theories and practices related to teaching and learning, and may work in various roles such as teacher, researcher, curriculum developer, or policymaker. Educationalists aim to improve the quality of education by developing innovative methods of teaching, promoting student engagement and motivation, and advocating for educational reforms. Overall, they are dedicated professionals who strive to make a positive impact on the education system and help learners achieve their full potential.